Hello everyone, welcome to Simon Tools. One of the most beautiful days in the morning. Sunshine, beautiful days after the beautiful cold night. And the nightmare happened to me. It started up in the morning, start the car up, and I start to hear the hissing noise, leaking air from underwear. I don't know, but I say strongly it from the one of the injector here, the what they call the gasket seal, the copper one must be leaked. I started up and I will let you see and learn a little bit of what happened to the Audi Q7. This is normally very common happen to Audi or diesel engine, all the same. They normally happen. That sound, this side good, okay, this side no noise, this side not the one of them, so we may take some out and have a look later. Use a slam hammer, pull out each injector and check every single one of them. See, that's how it hissing noise, the air leaking from one of the injector. Okay, like that. When you start it up, you can smell the diesel as well. You can smell the diesel. Oh my god, this belt is brand new and now it starts cracking already. What a terrible belt, man. So don't worry about the belt yet. We're concerned about the hissing noise. So it's gonna be a big job or small jobs, I don't know. But I started up in the morning and then suddenly I can hear something and the engine just one little movement, one little shaking. And the engine lights is not on at all. But when I go home, I start to realize there's a hissing noise from here. This one very common problems. I got all the kit ready. Rubber seals, the gasket, the copper one. You can't get any aftermarket put on, okay? So all you do is pull the clip, pull out the injector each side first and get number 17, undo all that, and then press and pull this plastic hose out. You want to make easy, you can remove this one, take this off one side and do from there. Okay, like that. Push and lift, push it down and lift it up. Yes, I remember now. That's got to be the way, man. Come, I always have trouble with diesel engine, man. Okay, now no leak, no nothing, no house broken. It's okay. Number 8 mil go in each one of them, each one of injector caps here. Before do that, remove this line by hold it and pull it up. Be careful, don't break it, okay? If you break it, Happy New Year. And be careful, pull it out and put on one side, okay? And don't break it. This one $800, no kidding, okay? Okay, now seal. All right, now number 17 and put them away. 17, lose them all out and take them all out. Put them away first before take off the injector. So you can do this one, up to you, okay? You can get the rings open, but I'm too lazy to get one. Very lazy, man. That will do the job. Don't break this one, huh? Don't break the injector. The injector costs you $600 each. No kidding, okay? No games here. This one, when I put on the machine and test each one, 20,000 psi. That's why it's using by steel hose. That's why, no kidding at all. The 3 of them out, safety. And one reminder, when you put the bolt, see this bolt back, don't over tight. Over tight, you may break the bolt too, because it have a lot of pressure. Put on this clip here, push it down, so Don't overturn. You break this one, and I don't know where you going to get the bolt from, okay? Because these bolts are designed special for this one. No other one can replace, okay? So remind you that. See, that's why. See my turn, very steady. I don't overturn, okay? Get this one out first. Check one by one. So that's how it come out. Every Audi the same, okay? If you can pull it out, good luck. If not, have to use my homemade slam hammer for this one. See, it's hard like rock. Okay, this one still can get out. Other one, I don't know. Okay, this one super hot. This one super lucky. Okay, now we open up and check, see the seal. See, we will look this one. We will look for this one. See any leaking or dirty? See the copper one here. So this one's still good. So we put it there. We get the later when we put back, and we make sure go in like that. Okay, it go on like that all the time. See, go on like that and push it down. So what I do, I get my slam hammer, put in there. Still work for thousands of years later. Still working good. So you don't have to worry buying a proper one. Okay. So I really make this one purpose for this one, for this job. I need two hands to bolt this one on. Turn on as much as you could. No kink, no nothing. Just make sure no kink, okay? Any kink will be trouble. And go in like that. Slide this one up like that. Okay, slide on. So that's how it's slide. Go on like that with my homemade slam hammer. Okay. Best invention from Simon Tools. Okay, now bugger. Woo. La la. Okay, look like we got situation here because the carbon build up and it's been very hot. So good luck, buddy. Okay. Oh, I throw my energy out. Have a rest, have a Kit Kat. You see, the only way to get them out without damage to the injector. The injector work all right. The car still got power, but the hissing noise is there. So we gotta keep doing it, keep slam it until you can get him out, buddy. No kidding, okay? How far did we go, brother? Not far. Not far at all. Oh my lord. I don't know. What can I do? Try the other one. See which one. Oh, my lord. My tools. It's alright. I lost one. I got plenty. Don't worry. Do anything. Do not test Simon, okay? Simon got everything except money and love. Simon got everything except money and love. No money, no love. Okay. Okay. Okay, buddy. I love you, man. I love you, man. This one was very good boy. This one listened to me and it came out very goodly. So I love this one more than that one, the other one. So this one, I love you. You can leave that one behind, slide it out and put it out later because it's on the way there. Get black screwdrivers, push it out if you want, okay? Because I can't use my two hands. Yeah, for this one, see that one along there. Put it out, baby. Put it out, baby. Checking this one. This one looks still alright. Looks still alright. Beautiful. Okay, later we do a big cleaning too. Yeah, still alright. So I concern this one, number one. Okay. Now, another pulley. pulling. Okay, this one, see the copper here. Tell you what, the diesel engine, they build up the carbon very quickly. Just for 2 years, it's like this. I would do nice and clean everything. It lasts for 2 years. Now it's like this. Trust me. So maybe shit mechanic, you know. Oh, no more talk. Second one, please. I hope I get him out like the other one, baby. I gotta love you so sure. Damn it! Hot, man. Woo. Just rip and pull, man. Ow, bastard. Ow! That's what I talk about, man. See? This bastard, the copper gone. That's why the hissing noise is gone. So get the torch, go in there, check. See the copper old one still in there, or they came out. Bastard, you. See, this is what I'm talking about. See the carbon a lot here, build up. The other two good, but this one include the carbon build up. And it's making the hissing noise. It's leaking out from the exhaust coming out here. The compression coming out. So that's why making hissing noise and missing the copper. So that's what we're talking about. See? Copper still there. Copper still there. Missing copper. Now we open the torch. Get a torch and look around that. It's sort of like missing the copper. See? See in the hole there? In there? Can you see? It don't have any copper. So later get a rag, clean up a little bit inside, make sure do the cleaning inside and put a new one on. So see that one? I don't know where the copper gone, okay? To be honest. So we clean up, put on the brush machine, clean them all up and put a new one on and we'll be all right, okay? Now I gotta do cleaning up this one and put a new one on and cleaning the inside by get the flat screwdrivers, go inside with the degreaser spray on this one and cleaning. You can spray just a little bit on each one, degreaser, okay, into the where the jet is, and get the long nose flat screwdrivers, push this rack in and clean the where this one is. Just spray, heaps up the greaser in here and slide this one on and you can clean inside, okay? So don't go wrong, okay? You gotta do it, make sure do it nice and clean. And if you got it clean, it'll be good. It's better for you when you put a new one on, the dust, they sealed up all the gaps and you know the copper seal, they go good. And keep driving more, man. Don't worry about the mechanic, okay? You can be mechanic yourself, okay? All wood nice and clean. You can see the see aluminum there in there, so good. So gotta be genuine one, okay? The genuine copper one. You cannot put any aftermarket in here. It doesn't like aftermarket. So if you don't want to put this part number down, go on eBay, okay? And 3 injector been cleaned and all the brass wire gone. Look like been used, okay? It's not new. Okay, now make sure you put one by one. So this one, anything we do, oops, don't fall on me, man. It's very dangerous, Simon. So make sure this one don't have one. Later I tell you the tricks to put on without they coming up. So this one, look, the grip and everything's still all right now. See, make sure clean and okay, no dust, no nothing here and here, no dust in here. So make sure gotta be clean. Okay, I can have this one in there. We got this one in there. What I do is this row along there. Take me very hard to put one on. So what I do is put this one on there, and this one on there, and this one on. Slide you on, slide you on. Come on, baby. Come on, man. Come on, baby. Yes, it's gone now. So what you do is push it down like that. Just use hand, push it down like that, and put this one there. So you make sure do a few turns, see if they engage in properly, and you don't have to worry no more. Later, just to turn by hand and feeling, okay? Like the feeling, okay? And now, second one, make sure check all this, see? Make sure all the crumbs or dust here come off, okay? Even you've been blown out, but you still make sure this one stay there like that. It's not losing, okay? So normally, if you got the space, it came in like this more easy. See, it came in like this more easy. See, it came on like this. All we do is, when the line, just push it. That's it. The O-ring go on, and this one, few turn. Okay, now this one, I tell you the tricks. Because the new one you put on, it will be wobbling, and if you put it on, it will might come up. So I got whole bag of this one. This one I waiting on eBay, and I went to the records and grabbed one of them. One of them they want $8. Okay, no joke, no kidding, and no fun. Okay, $8 each one for this little bloody copper shit, copper field. Okay, okay, let's slide in, see if they stay. If they not stay, I tell you the secret. See, it go in like that. Sometimes you put in, it go up. What you do is very simple. This is the diesel injector, and there will be no silicone tricks. What you do is the grease. My grease still do the job. Just put the grease along here. Just put it on like that. Doesn't matter how much you are, but later when the diesel come out, the injector will blow all the diesel out anyway. So the trick is it will hold in here without falling up when you put inside, and it fold out. So see the grease holding there. If you want to clean up to you. Okay, you want to make a good clean up, that's it, and it never fold up. Even now you try to insert it in, it still stay there like that for you. Okay, so that's the trick. So make sure put a bit of grease, and it will do the job. So like that, and go on. See, still there, still there. Go there. Okay, all we do is make sure this knuckle in the group there and push it. Done. It's just simple like that. Okay, when you turn, just make sure turn by hand, in all the way, on all the way, and you can feel the pressure, and done. And you will see when I put back everything and start it up, see what the difference in here. Okay, so you can use by one hand, just turn. Don't have to be too hard. Okay, you can feel. That's it. That's it. No more. Oh my terrible tools. Terrible tools, Simon tools. Okay, firm by hand and tight by one hand. No overturn. You break this bolt, you're on fire, baby. Now put the holes in order 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 on. And when you put this one on, right, so make sure all lined up. See, all lined up. Just do a few turn on this one, do a few turn, and go line this one up. do a few turns and then slowly put them all evenly, because see the little groups here, it's gonna sit on the house. See the house here, got a little group, so they're gonna be sit on that nozzle there. So make sure it's on, and it go in slowly, one by one. All we do is just tie them in, like that, okay? No rush error. Very careful, don't miss a turn. You may damage the, see that little nozzle here is plastic too, so be careful. So turn it from behind, go like that, and go in all evenly. See, gotta be go on evenly, and your hand gotta be control your knuckle here, and it never miss that one, and it never hit that little nozzle, and you in big painful, very painful. Okay. Now I need two hands to control my feeling on this one. Okay, I don't want to come up and hit the bloody little return line here, and I cry out loud, quite out, very loud, not little but super loud. Way in my car again, so keep this one for spare and emergency for someone who need help. Call Simon. That's how Simon know and prepare all the time, no kidding at all. And this one, go back. How to get in, how to get out, buddy. Doesn't matter which way they are, they all the same C, different smell. I mean, 3. When did I move this one here? What a ridiculous movement. 3, 1, 2, 3, on. And now this one down. Okay, this on, just make sure slide on and push. This one on, this one, see the rubbers there, make sure they stay in properly. On, push it, see this one, and they go, you can hear the click. Yep, on. Now push it on, now push it on. Done. Okay, put the air filter in, air maps on, and we start it up. We will see the moment of truth. Okay guys, before closing this case, Audi Q7 2012, hissing noise, replace the every time when you have the noise like hissing noise, and you can hear which side they are, and you can tell, and open up one side and make sure check all one side, and then make sure you got the seal, the copper one. Don't ever put anything on. You can go to the new and used European car and order them. Or you need number 8 Torx Audi tools, number 17 flat screwdriver, the greases, and homemade slam hammer for that bit to go on the injector, and you can remove it. So now, moment of truth. Before I closing this case, I have to finish my pizza and start the engine, see the noise disappear or not. Okay, the moment of truth is here. Now turn on the key. Beautiful. Before, when you start, have a problem with starting up because they have no diesel in the injector. But now, back to original, baby. I love you, baby. That's it. How's that, buddy? Problem fixed. The hissing noise fixed. And the engine sound healthy as. Okay. Beautiful. Okay guys, thanks for watching Simon Tools, and I hope these videos will help you, and you can learn from here and how to fix your Audi Q7 2012. So pack up the tools, have some more pizza, and relax. Very happy. Very happy. Shit mechanic. Shit mechanic.